this mini apple and blackberry crumble is actually a bramble crumble. But if I just wrote bramble crumble in the title, the chances are it might never show up in search. The other option was to title it Mini Apple and Blackberry Crumble and say no more, but it just doesn't have the same ring to it, does it, as Bramble Crumble? Anyway, today I'm going to try to show you how to make one. So what is a Bramble Crumble anyway? A Bramble Crumble is an incredible twist on the conventional crumble, containing caramelised apples with blackberries, fresh whipped cream and a roasted pecan crumb, all piled on top of a wholly edible crumble based bowl. Oh, and if you're wondering what a bramble is, I'm talking about blackberries, of course. You know, those dark jewels that grow on bushes in the summer. If there was ever a dessert that made me happy, it would have to be this one. And I'm sure if you make it, it will make you happy too. And if you're already happy, it will make you even happier. After watching this video, bramble season won't come quick enough. So before we even think about making this dessert, we need to get some brambles. And what better way to do that than to go brambling? It's just typical though that my brambling licence has just expired from the official brambling board, and apparently getting caught with any more than 5 key of bramble without a valid licence can result in a hefty penalty, so I'm taking no chances. For that reason, I've come equipped with my scales to be on the safe side. I'll weigh these babies out steadily as I go. Right, that should be enough. I'm out of here. I've got a crumble to make. My name's Gregory D and a massive welcome back to the Fake Kitchen. So the first thing I'm going to do is make our crumble cases. And as I couldn't find any the right size in the supermarket, the bottom of my granddad's old beer tankard from 1763, as well as some folded foil, will do the job nicely. So once we've made a couple of those, throw them to one side and let's get started on the crumble mix. Add cube butter, flour and brown sugar to a bowl with some vanilla essence and break down between your fingers and thumbs until the mixture becomes fine breadcrumbs and fully combined. This should take approximately 5 minutes. Pour approximately a quarter of that crumble mix into another bowl, leaving 3/4 in the large bowl. In the large bowl, pour in 1 tablespoon of milk and mix until that mixture comes together. Press the mixture around the shape of the crumble tins. In the small bowl, crumble in your pecans. When you get them out of the packet, that is. Come on. gonna have to get the scissors by the looks of it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get the scissors. Finally they're out. Crumble them into the crumble mix and turn this mix out onto a baking sheet alongside the crumble cases. Bake in an oven at 190 degrees Celsius, 380 degrees Fahrenheit or gas mark 5 for approximately 25 minutes until the cases are brown and the crumble is golden. I personally prefer to give them about 35 minutes because I like it really well done. Meanwhile, core 2 apples. Chop them with the skins on and add them to a pan with honey or maple syrup to caramelise. Once golden, remove them from heat and allow to cool. Next, add blackberries to a pan. Stir in sugar to taste as you go to make sure you achieve the required sweetness, and as they break down, simmer for about 5 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of corn flour to some water and then add this together into the blackberries. And they will thicken immediately. Then remove from heat and allow them to cool. Whip up some double cream in a bowl until it peaks, and once everything has cooled, we start to build our layers. First we add the cream. Then the blackberries, then the apple, and so on. And just keep layering it and layering it as high as you can. Forget about being neat and tidy. One thing for sure is the way to eat this properly is not with a spoon. You are just gonna love this. Honestly, make this summer. Make it. If there's only one dessert you make this summer, make sure it's this one. The Bramble Crumble. You will not be disappointed. It's like, it's so hard not to dance while you're eating it. It's that good. Believe me, it's that good. Don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Until next time.